Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to solve some of the most common point-of-sale headaches.
You've been there, right? One tricky sale, and suddenly your whole queue just grinds to a halt.
So here's the plan. We'll walk through 5 common scenarios you're likely to run into.
Okay, first up, a customer wants a discount that's actually below your cost. What's the move?
You'll get a warning, but no sweat. Just hit Request Approval to get a supervisor's OK.
Then, your supervisor gets the request on their POS, approves it, and you are good to go.
All right, Section 2. Let's talk about fixing mistakes after the sale is already done. Oops.
Like, what if you sold something with the wrong serial number? Happens all the time, right?
Well, before you can fix it, an admin needs to enable these 2 specific permissions for you.
The fix is actually pretty easy. Find the bill, click the item, and just swap the serials.
Okay, but what if the mistake is the payment method? Say you accidentally chose the wrong card type.
It's a similar process, really. You just find that bill and edit the settlement details directly. Simple.
Okay, next up, tricky requests from customers after they've already walked out the door.
For instance, a cash customer wants an E-invoice later. How you fix this really depends on when they ask.
If they ask in the same month, it's an easy edit. But next month, you got to refund and reissue. And that refund process is pretty straightforward. You just search the bill, add the item, and pay them back. All right, let's dive into 2 special cases, handling trade-ins and paying with membership points.
First, let's talk NSTI. It stands for Non-Stock Trade-In. Makes managing used phones a breeze.
Taking a trade-in is super easy. It's just a quick 3-step process to get it in stock.
Now for memberships, you've probably seen this warning when a customer doesn't have enough points.
But if they do have enough points, it's super smooth. They can pay right there at checkout. So, let's wrap this all up. What's the key stuff to remember from our little toolkit here? Always know your permissions, use that cash bill listing for edits, and remember those step-by-step workflows. So, what's one POS problem you can now solve in seconds? You're ready for pretty much anything.